Welcome to Wise Hacks. Cleaning vessels with a scrubber is a common practice for maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in the kitchen or any other area where vessels are used. Scrubbing helps to remove food residue, stains, and grease, ensuring that the vessels are thoroughly cleaned. When using a scrubber, it's important to choose the right type for the material of your vessels. Avoid using abrasive scrubbers on delicate or non-stick surfaces, as they can cause scratches. Instead, opt for non-abrasive scrubbers or softer materials like sponge or microfiber cloth. Remember to clean your scrubber regularly as well to prevent the buildup of bacteria. Maintaining the effectiveness of your scrubber requires regular cleaning. To ensure proper upkeep, follow these steps. To begin, eliminate any loose dirt or debris by rinsing the scrubber with hot water. Prepare a warm water solution in a bowl and add a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Immerse the scrubber into the bowl and using your hands, work the soap into the bristles. Thoroughly rinse the scrubber with hot water to remove any lingering soap residue. Squeeze out excess water from the scrubber and hang it up to dry. For a more thorough cleanse, consider soaking the scrubber in a mixture of water and vinegar for approximately 30 minutes before proceeding with the previous steps. Avoid using harsh chemicals or bleach, as they can cause damage to the bristles. By diligently following these steps, you can maintain the cleanliness and effectiveness of your scrubber, ensuring it remains suitable for your cleaning requirements.